Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the ages got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkle bananas in your hair of golden starlight and your eyes of blue. That is why all the girls